Okay, good morning, guys. This is our fourth video. My name is John G. I'm about to analyze the market with you. We just sent the analysis to the group, but what was left was for us to analyze the market and search for entries and show you how to exit just to improve your skill. So let's get down to it. Let's look at the pairs which we're gonna analyze. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, I'm trying to find the list of the pairs which we're supposed to analyze. Okay, sorry guys for taking time. Let me just find the pairs down. Okay, it's Euro, AUD, Australian Chef, and USD Chef, CAD Chef, CAD JPJ, AUD, CAD. Okay, thanks for your time, guys. So these are the pairs which we're gonna analyze, 6 of them. So now let's see. We have got correlating pairs in this list. Let's check out the correlating pairs. Correlating pairs. My spelling, I guess, is right. Okay. These ones here. These two are correlating pairs. Okay, sorry guys. So these two pairs, they are correlating amongst each other. Just the two. Let me just put this line to separate so that you don't get confused. And these two, they are anti-correlating, guys. These two, they are anti-correlating pairs. So now we on Asian session. What does it mean? It means now, okay, fine, we're looking at pairs which we're looking at currencies which are being used in Asia. Basically, which pairs? Okay, fine. JPJ, it's a currency in Asia. And which one? This one, Chef. And these are the ones. I'm not quite sure with Australia. Yes, in Australia, AUD. So now this during Asian session, these are the pairs which are mostly effective, because at Asia right now is during the day. And now if you could come and look at the time, now at us it's 1:30 a.m. So now we are on an Asian session. So now let's check the market and see if we could make money in the morning. The market just opened. The market is live. Okay, fine. Let's look at opportunities, guys. Okay, there is the pair right there. This this pair is, which one is CAD Chef. Okay, let's start with this pair, guys. Okay, what has been happening? This is what has been happening. So one thing you do first, it doesn't matter which time frame are you using. What you have to do, if it's a small time frame, you have to zoom out so that you can see a bigger picture. As you can see here, this is January, from this point here until now. Till now, the point, where are we now? 25 October. So now we can see that the market, okay, fine, the market was on the uptrend. How do we see that the market was on the uptrend? Looking at this now, okay, fine, the market came this point, and then, sorry guys, sorry, the network is kind of problem. There, it made a high, it made a low, right? So now when we use the trading of Elliott wave said that okay, the market move in waves. It doesn't move as a straight line. So what it does all the time, it makes A, B, C. So how this is how it works. Let me show you. This is a very consistent tool. What you need, guys, is you wanna do the same time and make cash. So the difference between trading and gambling is that you can master the skill. But with gambling, you can't master the skill. So this is the skill, guys. I guess you have to watch this time and again so that you can get to understand the concept behind. It took me some time to do this, but yeah, I mean, I was into it, and then yeah, but now I'm happy that I can be able to teach other people because now I've grasped the concept. So this is how it works, guys. I'm gonna explain. Let me just put these letters so that I explain to you. You'll see how easy it is once you grasp it. Okay, so now there we go. There we go there, right there. Our A, right? Okay. I wanna analyze this chart and then we're gonna place a trade on this chart. So our video is gonna last probably 45 to 25, 45 to 60 minutes, guys. Be patient. I mean, if you have to do this thing, you're gonna watch long videos and get to watch them time and again up until you grasp the concept. This is how it is, guys. So if you don't have money to pay someone to help you, you have to do this, guys. You have to watch videos, study books, and that's how it is. Study as many as you can. So if you don't have a mentor, make sure that you work hard, guys. That's the only way you can get to the point where you are able to make profitable and consistent money. Uh, that's how it is. That's what every trader is fighting for. So all you need is you being profitable and make consistent money. Yes, so let me get down with it. Sorry guys for wasting your time, but hey, okay, fine. Let's see here what happened. I'll stop where something different happened. Okay, guys, okay, fine. Okay, as you can see here, the market was on the uptrend. It came at this point. It said A, B, C. This is a wave, guys, and then where C ends, we start the A. So it's like this. So there we go. There we go. Sorry, guys. There we go. There we go. Right? There we go. There we go. The market is making A, B, C, right? You can see that. You can see that, right? You can see that the market was consistent. It was playing along, guys. But when it gets to this point, something happened, right? We've got our A, B, C, A, B, C. It was consistent following the trend A, B, C, right? It's still consistent here. But immediately when the market got to this point, something happened, guys. Do you see this is a what? This is called a buy zone, and this part just here below, this is called the sell zone, guys. A sell zone, guys. So we're looking only for sell confirmations in this on this zone. Basically, sell zone, sell confirmations, sell confirmations only, guys. So it doesn't mean that you don't buy, but you looking only for sell confirmation, you just want to reduce the risk, guys. You don't want to be in a case where you're buying like that, just like gambling to me, and I don't want to gamble. I want to do something which I want to do something which is going to allow me to make consistent profit because we are here to survive, guys. We're not doing this for fun or just as a hobby. This is a business, guys, so you should take it a bit seriously. So okay, fine. We get to this point. This is our A. This is our B, right? For the market. So there, our market made the B right there. And then what happened, guys? There's our A. If you could see now, this is a what? This tends to be a support, guys. What happened? The market broke this point, so it's A, B. Now that's when the downtrend starts. That's how us traders we know that okay, now the downtrend has started. Okay, fine, because you have been seeing the market has been going up, right? Going down. You see that. Now we know, okay, fine, the market now it's on a downtrend, guys. So now if you can do that, you don't do it like that, sorry, that line is just bad. But you see here, the market is at A, B, C, but this C, it closed below this point, and this point is was on the uptrend. So now looking at this, now we are on a sell zone, guys. Here, this point here, let me just mark it as a triangle so that you can see. Okay, okay, sorry guys, I don't know what's happening here. I honestly don't know what's happening, but I honestly don't know why is this doing this. Okay, fine. At this point, guys, as you can see, this is a sell zone. We are on a sell zone at this point. The market was on the uptrend. It broke this point, and then it struggled for some time. So let's zoom in and see what happened when the market goes to that point. This happened, guys. You see at this point here, the market struggled to break this line, but this is what a sell zone. Now on the market, we are on a sell zone now. Okay, fine. Where are we now? We are on a sell zone. Now a downtrend starts because now we've broken what a support at this point, because this is our what, this is our A and this is our C for this wave. Looking at this point, the market was on an uptrend. So now us as a trader, as traders, we know, okay, now we are on a what, we are on a sell zone. So our stop loss zone is at this line, guys. Everything. So whenever the markets break this point, now you get what we start focusing on another direction. So if now we focusing on a bearish move, on a bearish direction, now we start focusing on a bullish direction. So this is our stop loss zone, guys. So if the market break this line, now we're no longer on a downtrend, guys. We're on the uptrend. So that's how it is. Okay, fine. So the market came all the way up, came all the way down, came all the way up, came all the way down. And then there it is now. The market has reached its point. So where is the target, guys? We don't want to buy something when it's cheap, guys. We don't want to buy something when it's it's cheap. But here is a good point for us to buy this. But looking at this now, you can see here the market broke this line. The market has been struggling. Sorry guys, I have good flu. I don't know what happened. Probably is because I was drinking something cold, but yeah, I'll be fine. Okay, fine. As we can see, the market struggled to break this line. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, what happened? We are on a low point, but remember the market is on a downtrend. We're not looking to buy anything at this point. We will buy it if it was like the potential pips were above 70. But looking at this point from here to here is 60 pips. Okay, fine, it's perfect. We can buy it now from this point, right? What we do you see that? So now we're looking to buy this market until this point. So it can until here, this point here. So we're looking to sell this point here, around this point here. So we're gonna wait for candle confirmations, guys. At this point, we are selling this pair. This point we are selling hard chef, right? At which point at we are selling cut chef here, right? At this point. And when we zoom in, we'll see that okay, fine, the market is just broke. And looking at this line, you could see the market failed. It went back here, it went back here. Now bullish bulls are on track right now. They came back, and you can see this is a 4-hour time frame. The market, for the first candle, the market was on a bullish trend. So now we were waiting for the market to retrace. Today it's a what? It's today it's a Monday, so we're waiting for the market to retrace up until this point. So you can buy and you can come take at this point. You can buy and then, but you'll be risking more, because if now you have to come and take it to up until this point, you're taking 35, 36 pips. And remember, the direction of the market is where it's going down. So for us to reduce risk, we don't want this to happen to us, guys, while we are still buying. This is what we are scared of. That's why we don't want to buy and sell at the same time, because we've seen the direction is Sorry guys, I clicked it by a mistake, but yeah, we still have time. Our webinar is gonna end at 2:30. Probably 2:15 we'll be done with the webinar. We still have 6 pairs, but probably due to the time, I think we're gonna do only 3 pairs, but don't know, it's fine. Okay, so what we're doing now, we're looking to buy this pair at this point, right? But looking at this point, the market came up, came down, came up, came down. Remember what I've been doing, right? The backwards, I was doing this, so we can come and take our A's here so that we save time. Let me just take them here back, and then sorry guys, let me just take our letters. Where are they? Okay, fine, there we go. Okay, sorry guys, there. Okay, I don't know what's happening today, but yeah, patience guys. Okay, fine, I'm just gonna indicate it with arrows guys. So this is our A. No, I'm not in a hurry. I'll take long, but make people understand what I'm doing than me trying to catch up with time and people not understanding what I'm saying. The aim for this is us understanding how to trade guys and improve your losses guys. We do this is for free guys, so you're not paying anything. This video is going to be posted, you'll be alerted so that you can be able to download and improve your skill and bring back your account guys. That's what we do. This is winners ground guys. All we do is improve skills. Okay, fine. B, right? So we see now the market is made our A, B, right? So this is coming at this point here. Okay, so guys, there. So the market made this point here, that point, that point, right? So the market now is on a B, right? But now looking at this guys, we want to sell this thing because this thing is on a downtrend, right? We want to sell it where? At this point. That's where we're looking to sell this pair. Up until which point guys? Up until down. So we're gonna sell this pair up until this point here. How many pips guys? Target, it's let me see. Okay, 180, 183 pips guys. So we're selling it at that point. Let me just write it here. 183 pips target guys. Target guys, target, right? Where are we selling it? We're selling it at this point. So our first take profit, where's our first take profit? Our first take profit is at this point. Our second take profit guys is this one here, and our third one is just this point here. So our take profit TP1, TP1, there we go, that's our first TP. Our second one, there it is, TP2. Okay, fine. So you will decide with yourself which one you want to take. So but if now you've got 3 take profits, which means you can just place 3 orders and then take, put one for take profit 1 and put the other one for take profit 2 and the other one as a long-term trade for the last take profit guys. So now this market will be at the support trend of this market. This pair is what is cut chef guys. So basically that's how it is. We're done with this point. So basically our stop loss zone, let me just identify our stop loss zone somewhere here at this point here, at this point just here. How much from that point, how many pips from this point? So 55 guys. So let's just reduce it a bit somewhere here. Yes, our stop loss zone is this point here, this red box here. So anywhere within this box, let me just put this line so that you know. And let me just do like this. Okay. That line, that point, within that point, there, within this zone. So within this zone, this is your stop loss area, and your buy area is this one. That's where you're buying, you're selling this thing guys, because now we're on a downtrend. We're just waiting for the market to give us a high, guys, because you can see the market's moving as the wave is A, B, C. Now it's on a B. We can't sell this thing, guys. So if it keeps on going down, it's fine. We don't want to. We want to reduce risk. We want to buy something when it's cheap and sell something when it's expensive. So waiting for the market to give us a bit expensive price for this pair. So which one is the expensive price for us to sell? This point is 074253. So we're selling this line at this point. I'm about to send this to the group. So now you can also take this and send it and also use this to make money for this week. Starting on the what is today's date? I'm not quite sure, but yes, now I think it's on a 25 October. No, I'm not sure. Let me just put a line and see what is today's date, guys. It's on the what is today's date? It's on the 31st October, guys. So yes, that's how it is. We're done with this pair cut chef, guys. And then if you have any question, just ask us, guys, or contact us. Don't forget to check our web page, our Facebook page, Winners Ground. And then please like, guys. That's how you can pay us. We don't need your money. We just want you to win. And if you want mentorship, you can just contact us on our web page or contact these numbers. Contact these numbers and then 0437378. Please update us, guys, if this trade went well or didn't go well, and then we'll see what happened and we'll reanalyze and get to see what might have went well or what not. But yes, this is how it is, guys. Looking to sell this point. So let's sell this and make how many pips? The first target is how much? It's 60 pips, guys. Let's take that pip and then let's take those pips, guys. You can decide with your volume, looking at your margin, how much you want to take. So that's your case, that's your option. I don't know, you choose, you decide. And the second one is 120, and the third one, the last take profit is which one? Is 178. We're done with this pair, guys. So let's look at the second pair. This pair is correlating with which pair, guys? It's correlating with JPJ. So now we analyzed this pair last week. So this one is right here. Bearish, right? Price 0.72. Okay, sorry guys, these are not numbers. This is the price. Sorry guys. 4253. Okay, fine. We're looking to sell this point. Sell at this price, right? We want to sell this pair at this price. We believe that this is a low price, and looking at what happened previously, the market failed. The market failed at this point. The market failed at this point. The market failed at this point. And the resistance, the market is moving in waves, guys. A, B, C, D. So this is where the market, if the market break this point, that's when now we're going to start changing our things, which means now we're going to start looking to buy this thing and not sell it. But now our stop loss zone is at this point. As long as the market is below this point, we know that the market is still on a downtrend, guys. So let's analyze the next pair. The correlating pair of this one is CAD, Canadian yen. It's not there on my timeline. Where is it? Okay, it's on the right. Okay, there we go, guys. There we go. Okay, fine. We did this. We analyzed this also. It's on a downtrend. Also, we can see here we did this. Just go check our website. You find a link which is gonna direct it to. Is gonna direct you to this page. Once we enter it, we analyzed it. It was somewhere here, guys. And then if you could check how many pips are we now? We are here. 80 pips, guys. We are 80 pips on this trade. Okay, fine. If you did follow us, you are 80 pips on this trade. On my account, I'm 80 pips on this trade, and I'm willing to take it up until which point? Let me just check, guys. Where am I gonna take this? Because I do long-term trades, guys. Here we go. I'll decide when to take profit. So our take profit one is this one. The second one, I'm gonna take it this one. This is gonna be my take profit, guys. here. Now I'm 80 pips on the trade. So now let me just check it from that point to this point. So 250 pips, guys, with a lot size of 0.3. So 250 pips, 250 pips multiplied by $3. $3. Okay, let's take a calculator and see how much is that. Okay, one trade give us 750, guys. Wouldn't you like to make $750 by just one trade? I mean, that I think that's a good thing. Yes, guys, it just needs skill and discipline. So this is the amount I'm willing to take. So now this also support our analysis. And now looking at that, now looking at our chart, we see that okay, also it's bearish, right? How many pips from now? So it's 250 minus 80. Okay, 170 target from now. Pips. Okay, fine. So we see now that okay, now this support our analysis. These are correlating pairs, and they are all showing bearish, confirmations. Okay, so fine, we're done with this pair. So now let's look at these two correlating pairs, guys. Okay, fine, we're gonna start with this one. Where is it? There it is, right there. You see? Okay, fine. It's a bit involved, okay, but it's fine. Let me just delete everything, guys, because now it's a bit involved. We can't see anything, so let me just delete everything and start afresh with you guys. Okay, fine. There we go. This is a daily time frame. What we do there. If you could go and check, this is a pattern made by Elliott wave. Okay, fine, guys. The market came all the way up. So where do we start counting? Our counting started this point. So if the market was going down, the first wave it makes down. So if it's going down, the first wave it's gonna make. We start counting at the point where the market is gonna start turning on a support trend. So this is gonna be our first point. One. Okay. Secondly, okay. Sorry, guys. I clicked the wrong number. I clicked the wrong pattern. Second. Okay. Okay. Third. As long as the market didn't reach this point again, so we don't count this again as 4. We wait for the market to come and reach this point and come reach down. That's when we count it as a following number. So it's 4 here. Okay, and then since same thing happened again here, so now we say what, 5, right? Okay, fine. Likely the market is likely to break the shape at number 7 or 8. I'll show you what do I mean by number 8 and 7. It's minus my voice today, guys. I don't know what happened. I'm having a flu, but I hope you can hear me and understand what I'm trying to say to you, so that you can make money this week. We're not greedy, guys. The market is enough for everyone to make money, so everyone must make money. Okay, there we go. It's 8. Okay, fine. Let's look at this, right? The market reached this point, it bounced back, right? But it went back to the what? To the trend. Which point is it? So which point? Which one is the target? So the market was bouncing at this point, bouncing at that point, bouncing, bouncing, right? So where are we expecting it to bounce, guys? We're expecting the market to bounce again at this point, but not bounce, break it down. Because looking at this, the market is going down, guys. Let's do this. You could see. Let's just do it like this. So, guys, you see now. This is a what? This is a daily time frame. Do you see that? Do you all see that, guys? Do you all see that, guys? Now the market just touched this point and now it failed. So where we going? Down, guys. So now we're waiting for the market is gonna break this point, and then our first target. There is our first target, guys. So from that point, this is a very high expensive price. So now our target, guys, our future target is how much? It's 800 and 823 pips, guys. This is a very impressive target, guys. I didn't notice this, I just noted it right now, guys. So watch this video and then you get to make these pips, guys, and take them. We just say okay, fine, 25 pips target, guys. Okay, what's the name of the pair? The name of the pair is a UD chef. I hope my voice is high because I can't see now whether my voice is low or not. I will demonstrate that after recording the video, but yeah, I think my voice is high. So now there it is right there, bearish. The direction is bearish, guys. So now what you're doing, you're looking to buy this thing, you're looking to sell this thing. So in trading, guys, all you need is a direction. Even when your strategy is a multi-millionaire strategy, but if you don't get the direction right, you will lose. And that is going to be sad. I mean, if you knew you're going to end up giving up, which is what we're trying to prevent here. So you can see this point now, the market, we're expecting the market to break this point now. So the market must break, and if you could see at this point, this is going to be a what? It's going to be something like this there. So it's going to be this, guys, that point, okay, that, and then that, guys. You can see now, okay, fine. You can see that, okay, now that's how it is. So now we're waiting for the market to come there. So now, which means this is our last take profit, right? And we're gonna have our first take profit that point, second, right, third. So this line, first, second, third, fourth. Okay, let me just put these lines and then you see which ones are our first, our take profits. Okay, fine, let me just put them like this. Okay, this line right there. Okay, I hope you're following, guys. I hope you're gonna win with this, because I'm gonna post this to my colleagues so that they can make money. This money is too much, so everyone must get this money. We must share this money. And skill. The main thing is skill, guys. What matters is skills. Okay, fine. Let me just, I can remove these lines right now. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, fine. This is our first take profit, our second take profit, our third take profit, our fourth take profit. Where is our entry, guys? You can just enter it from now. Your stop loss, if it's your long-term trade, can be here, right? Or not have stop loss, but now you can enter it at this point. Your entry, there's your entry. You can enter it at the current price. The stop loss zone, there's your stop loss zone, guys, if you are on a long-term trade, if you get to enter it now. But you know our direction is a downtrend. We're expecting the market to break this point and come reach this line here, guys. Sorry. So the market was supposed to do that, so now we're waiting for the market must come and break and reach this point. So the market is likely to come and retrace a bit at this line, this one here, this point here. So probably you can take your profit within the first one and the second one. So that's all about it, guys. So for this pair, our direction, we know that, okay, fine, it's bearish. Our target, future target is 823 pips target, and then the first target, let me see, from that point to that point, how many is 270, guys. So please make money, and then let's go and see back here. So the direction is bearish. How many pips? 270, first target. Okay. And then the last target, is 8.23, guys. You can just say okay, fine. Okay. Okay. Let's look at the other pair, the correlating pair, guys, and see what is it giving us. Okay, fine. We came here and then we analyzed, guys. You can see here. Look at this, what the market did. I'm just gonna demonstrate this. I'm not gonna crash this analysis, guys. I've analyzed it for myself. I'm not gonna crash this, but you can just see what's happening, and then I'm just gonna demonstrate what's happening so that you can use it to analyze also. And then if you don't come up with this, you can ask us or end up working out. So okay, fine, we can see the market here. It was here at this point, it broke this point and went up. The market was supporting uptrend. You see here, you can see at this point a high was made, a low was made, a low was made, a low was made, a low was made, right? But at this point also a low was made, but here the market broke this low, and what happened? Now we have got the Elliott wave, guys. We are becoming strong and very professional with Elliott wave trading. Hopefully if you could get in touch with us, you can be like us, or you can get more tips. I mean, now we trade mostly using Elliott wave. Elliott wave is a consistent strategy per se, I can say. Now here is the market. It came 1, 2, 3. So now we're on a fourth wave, guys. We're on the beginning of fourth wave. And remember, what is this happening? Now the market is on a downtrend. Okay, fine. Let's look at the target where the market should reach. Okay, because this is a 4-hour time frame. Okay, fine. We have got 50 pips target, guys, for buying. So now it's a Monday. We're not doing anything. We're looking to sell this thing at this point. Guys, let's have patience and not try to do same thing at the same time. Let's not gamble. Let's be traders and not be gamblers. If you want to become a gambler, just go and play lotto or play, I don't know, you can play soccer or sport bet, as they say. But yeah, we are doing our utmost best to show you how to trade, guys. Hopefully if we're gonna keep on posting more videos so that you know how to trade, or you can just join us. Okay, that's how it is. Let's get down to the point. Okay, fine. This is now, if we go back to our Elliott wave, this is our one wave, third wave, our second wave, third wave, fourth wave. So now we're on the fifth wave, guys, and we know how the wave goes about. It does this, guys. There we go, there we go. Request for the notes. We're gonna give you the notes, guys. We're gonna give you the notes. We have the notes, which is all the theory you need for Elliott wave. Okay, fine. So now we're looking to sell this pair at which point? At this point. So we're selling it at this point, and our first target is this one. There's our first target, guys, 63. This is our first target. I'm just gonna indicate it by this. This is our first target, guys. I'm sure you're following. And then our second one is this one, and our last target. Our last target is gonna be this one, right? And then our stop loss zone is at this point. There's our stop loss zone, guys. There, point there. That point right there. That's our stop loss zone. That's our stop loss zone. So let me mark the line. Okay, fine. Between that line and that line, that's our stop loss zone. Between this point and that point, let me just write it, because people tend to forget and they say that they didn't hear what I said. But if I can write it, I guess they're gonna understand and start making money. Let me just write it. Stop loss zone. Okay, sorry. Stop loss zone, guys. Okay, fine. There you go. That's a stop loss zone minus the pip, and this one is a take profit. So our first take profit, guys, let me just remove this point here. So our first take profit is this one, second, and the third. So where is your entry? Your entry is here. You sell this thing at this point, and let me just put this so that you can see you sell it. You're looking to sell at this point. And now if we go back to our list, we can see now, okay, fine, it's also bearish. It's bearish, right? How many pips? Future target. Okay, fine. The market is just now. Okay, guys. How many is 143? Okay, fine. So it's 143 pips, guys, and there is right there. And then we can see the correlation is perfect. The correlation is perfect. So now we left two pairs. Let's see. Now we'll just analyze this one, and then everything is correct. And we see that they are correlating, which is a good thing, and which is a good. It's good for our analysis, and it increases our confidence. So now let's look at the anti-correlating pairs. What does it mean? It means they move in the opposite direction, looking at the arrangement of the pairs, looking at the arrangement of the currencies on the pairs. Okay, fine. Let's start with which one? We're gonna start with this one, Australian card. Okay, okay, fine. We can see. Okay, fine. We just did the analysis for you guys. You can see. I'm not gonna start the analysis since time is not on our, not with us. Okay, fine. You can see that. Basically, if you could see, guys, we're doing the same thing. I mean, if you've seen what I've been doing, it's almost I've been doing the same thing, right? So that happened. So the market from May, it has been bouncing on this line, bouncing, 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 bouncing. It has been making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, guys. And it came at this point for a certain period of time. Let's see for how long did it do this, from that point to that point. From 9th September until October, a month, almost a month, the market was on a downtrend channel, which it did broke up. And now let's focus at the point where we're going to trade and look at the target. Now we see on an uptrend, and we see that the market came up, came down. We see now we have, okay, now we're going to Elliott wave. So now looking at this point, guys, we see the market was on a channel, so it's almost started a new what can you say, it almost started a new wave. So this is a zigzag, guys. This is a zigzag. You can Elliott wave, come check our notes, you'll see how it looks like. It's a zigzag. There is a zigzag. That's a zigzag, guys. So that's how it is. So how it works like this, right? So as you can see here, do you all see that? It's a zigzag, guys. Okay, mindless this. Let me just take it out. It's called a zigzag, guys. It's part of Elliott wave. Request for our notes, and you know these things, or just SMS us or send us a message. We're going to show you how to do it. Okay, fine. Let's get back to where we are right now. So now we can see the market's making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, right? It never broke this point, but once it break one of these lows, now we're gonna get worried, guys. And then we're looking at this point here. Looking at this point, the market broke this one. It's called a counter trend, guys. This line is called a counter trend. Let me just write here a counter trend. Okay, fine. There we go. So now we are going to enter this market at this point. This is going to be our stop loss zone. Now we can enter this market, which we did. We gave out the signal already. So this is our stop loss zone, and our first entry is this one. Our first take profit. Our entry, there is the point. Our first take profit. Our second. Our third. Our fourth, and then there's our stop loss. So let's look at the target. How much are we going up against? It's 120, 122 bullish. So bullish, this one is bullish. 120 pips target, right? So now we want to see. So we're expecting this one to be opposite of that, guys. So it must be bearish. If not, now we're gonna start analyzing it properly. We're gonna see what can we do. So now looking at this, guys, it's a bit more involved. Let me just delete everything. Okay, fine. Okay, do we see that? Let me just change this line. Do we see that, guys? Okay, right. Right. Do we all see that? The market is at this line, as you can see here, that point. Right. Do you all see that? Right. So this is a strong level, guys. This is a strong support. So what happened to the market? The market is at this point, and also we have got this, guys. Remember, you see that? You see that? You see that? So that's how it is, guys. So if now we can draw this now, you can see that. Okay, fine. There we go. Right. You can see the market is struggling to go up, guys. So what we do now, how we're gonna enter this thing? We just draw a counter trend, waiting for the market to close below this line. So if it doesn't, we don't do anything. So now we know that at this point, it's a strong support here, and the market is on a downtrend. So our first target is this one, guys. Let's see, now the market is below the downtrend, and it just broke the support, and now we have this as a head and shoulder. You can see. Okay, don't mind the shape, but you see that it's head and shoulder. You draw it properly. If this does not satisfy you, okay, fine, there we go, guys. So let's see the target. If we see whether the market is done with its movement. Let's see what's left. Okay, fine. The market still needs to go down, guys. So our last target, yes, our last target, guys. Sorry, this is our last target, guys. There we go. How much is it? It's sorry, it's how much is it? It's 590, guys. So we know it's bearish. Okay, and with this conclusion, we know that okay, fine, we're done with this. 530 pips. No, it's 80. Sorry, guys. 80 pips. So, guys, I'm done. My name is John G, guys. It was nice being with you. I hope you enjoyed the video and you understand everything that we're doing. And kindly make sure that you ask questions if you don't understand anything. You can just leave a comment on the video on our, because I'm gonna post it on YouTube, and also I'm gonna post the link on our Facebook page, Winners Ground. So kindly like our page, guys. You can just join us. We are based in Johannesburg Library. You can contact us on the numbers which I just posted on the first. These are our numbers, guys. Let me just write them down here. Okay, fine, guys. Okay, fine. And now we can see that, okay, now we're on the Asian session. So these are the numbers. You can contact us. These numbers, guys. 7378. Okay, fine. My name is John G. John G. Just say you're looking for John G, CEO of Winners Ground. Although you can, sorry guys, the spelling counts. Or also you can check our website, winnersground.co.za. or you can email us too. You can email me to this email, gmail.com, right? So let me check something, guys, and show you our. Let me show you our. Okay, so guys, you'll see it when I open it. Let's just open it. Give me a few minutes. For a few minutes. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. There we go. Okay, fine. This is our document, guys. So if you want to be part of us, we're gonna send you something like this. We have got a branch in Johannesburg. We've got a branch in Limpopo, and these are the people you can contact. So you can take the numbers through these videos. And remember, guys, trading sports involves risk, and there's always the potential for loss. So your trading results may vary. So make sure that you acquire proper skill. And our brokers, we use XM and Hot Forex. Our company is winnersground. Uh, okay, so this is the summary of our document and what we do, guys. So what we do, give you a full course. It's a lifetime mentorship, coaching, free installation of the forex trading platform with a trusted broker, and advice, emotional management, risk management, free signals, free analysis like I just did right now. And the strategies offered is on another document. We're gonna post it in the next video. And our course is cheap like this, guys. We have got advanced, which is 2000. So now when you come and you have been studying the beginners course, which means you're gonna pay us 2000, right? And but the full course, if you take a full course, you get a discount of 1000, which is 3000 rand, guys. And the duration of our course is based like this, guys. It's 2 days beginners class, 2 days advanced class, and 1 day for recapping all the work. So basically now we have got something exclusive. So we have live classes on Wednesday and Friday, which it lasts for 3 hours. The duration is 3 hours every week. So which means every week we have got 3 classes, 2 classes, live classes, and a theory one on a Saturday. And where are we based? We're based in Caroline Street, guys. That's where our office is in Brixton, Johannesburg. Our office, our postal code is 2092. So if you wanna get hold of us, that's how it is, guys. I'm out. My name is John G, guys. Hopefully we'll see you on the next video. Enjoy the video, and if you have a question, just ask us or send an email, and kindly like our page, guys.